change button. This can also be like set up to whatever your requirements are. Here we have the charging spot, the type C, and this here we can also mount the media mod over here. And this is obviously where the battery goes, and there's a slot right in here where the SD card also goes in. Supports 5.7K video recording. The screen is pretty decent. We can have a 360 view as well. Now the basic features are photo, HDR photo, interval, burst, star lapse, loop recording. This feature you can use it for your you can use it as a dashboard camera as well. Bullet time, time shift, time lapse, HDR video recording, and the video recording. So under this as well we have 5.7K, 4K, 3K. 5.7K goes up to 30 frames per second. Besides that we have 4K goes up to 60 frames. So the user interface is quite friendly, and like even for a first time user it's very easy as well. So you have the 360 app, the Insta360 app, through which you can easily export your videos as well. I'll do a detailed video of it like maybe in a week or so after my full review on this camera. The image quality is outstanding, and the colors are vibrant and true to life. The stabilization is impressive as well, minimizing the shakiness of the footage. And the camera feels responsive and quick, allowing me to capture movements without any lag. So the main reason why I chose the Insta360 was because you all must be aware of the problems with the GoPro. It freezes a lot, like you get frequent heat up warnings. Yeah, to wrap up, the Insta360 is a very decent camera. I am pretty much impressed by the build quality of it. Although it's a bit heavy, but I guess it's because of the battery itself. It is also waterproof without any casing. So yeah, overall it's a good product, I would say, and I can't wait until I put it to some good tests on different scenarios. I will obviously be sharing the videos on the channel itself. Mostly I'll be using this for motovlogging and stuff. So if there is any specific review that you'd like me to do, please mention it down in the comment. I'll be doing a waterproof test as well. If you have any questions about the Insta360 X3, please do comment it, and I'll be happy to answer it. If you enjoyed watching the unboxing video, and if you have watched the video till here, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all in the next videos. Bye.